Calling all Lushies who love to take a bath. Look at this incredible bath range that launched for Christmas this year. And remember, you can go in our shops online or you can download the app to check out the full range. So here you can see that we've got about 4 bubble bars that have launched, and I can't even count, maybe 17 to 20 bath bombs that launched into our shops. We literally have a bath product for everyone. If you kind of like that all that glitters is gold bath, the Star of Wonders come, and the extra special bit about this is it actually spins in the water. If you love something really sweet, we also have you covered. If you want something a little bit more traditional that has a poem inside, you can check out the Bah Humbug. I actually love the smell of that. You guys might know the Bah Humbug candy. We even have Santa Surprise and his full sleigh. Look at this ginormous bath bomb. Oh my gosh, that's enough for like 2 baths there, right? You then have our like Christmas capybara, because how cute is he? And something you'll notice right away with this range is how many fun like shapes and characters that we have. So make sure that you come in, grab a bubble bar or grab a bath bomb, and make sure that you have the most incredible Christmas bathing experience possible. See you in the shops or online.